Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make these delicious, rich and buttery pistachio shortbread cookies. This recipe requires only 4 ingredients and these cookies quite literally melt in your mouth. So let's get started. In a large bowl, combine softened unsalted butter. It's very important that your butter is soft, otherwise this step is going to be really difficult. And some granulated sugar. We're going to cream this on medium to high speed for about 2 to 3 minutes until it is creamy and fluffy. You can do this using an electric hand mixer or stand mixer or even a spatula if you don't have one, because if the butter is soft, it's going to be very easy to cream with the sugar. The full written recipe is available in the description box below, so make sure to click the link to check that out. Once your butter is nice and fluffy like this, we're going to add in the flour. All you need is plain all-purpose flour. I have not made this recipe with any other type of flour. Next, chop half a cup of pistachios very finely, and we're going to add this into the dough as well. If you don't like pistachios, you can also replace this for any other type of nuts like almonds or walnuts. Reserve 2 teaspoons of the chopped pistachios for garnishing the cookies later. Now we're going to add the chopped pistachios into the flour and combine everything until it's fully incorporated. You want to switch to a spatula or wooden spoon if you were using an electric mixer before. The mixture will look super dry and crumbly like this, and this is totally normal. Now use your hand to bring the dough together into one big chunk, and then you're going to transfer everything onto a floured surface. Press in all of the crumbs like so until you have a smooth ball of dough. This will take a little bit of time. You don't need to knead the dough, just keep pressing until it is nice and smooth. Flour your work surface once more, and now we're going to roll this out into a 1 centimeter thick square. Now we're going to cut out the cookies using a circle cookie cutter. You can use any shape you'd like. This cookie cutter is 2 inches or 6 centimeters in diameter. Transfer the cookies onto a lined baking tray and then repeat the same process until you've used up all of your dough. Now we're going to chill the dough for at least 1 hour so that the cookies don't spread too much when we bake them. Once chilled, bake for about 17 to 20 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius until the sides are lightly golden brown. Once baked, let the shortbread cookies cool completely and then finish it off with a drizzle of melted white chocolate or even milk or dark chocolate and some more chopped pistachios. And that's it. These delicious and beautiful pistachio shortbread cookies are ready to be enjoyed. They are rich and buttery and have the perfect amount of crispiness while still being soft and crumbly on the inside. They are perfect for parties and picnics or even as a gift for your loved ones. This recipe is super simple and straightforward, yet the results are just outstanding and incredible. No one is going to believe that you made these at home. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe to the Food Flamingo for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Like the video if you liked it and comment down below if you tried the recipe or if there's anything else you'd like me to make. And as always, thanks for watching.